Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word bayonets. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The soldiers fixed their bayonets onto their rifles before charging into battle. Bayonets refers to a blade or dagger-like weapon attached to the muzzle of a rifle, used for close combat or as a multi-purpose tool in military situations. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.